The next question, question number 6. What is given in the question number 6? It is given a village having a population of 4,000 require 150 liter of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. For how many days will water of this tank last? So village having a population. So first of all, what is given? Population of village is given, and population of village is equal to 4,000. Okay, now require 150 liter of water per head per day. So water consumed by how many people? One people, 1 day, so it is 150 liter, and by 4,000 people, population is 4,000, so water consumed by 4,000 people, so it will be 150 liter water. So 150 liter into 4,000. Clear? Now you will convert it into meters, so it will be 150 multiply 4,000 and divide by 1,000. So this one will be in the meter, so meter cube. Clear? So this is water consumed by 4,000 people in 1 day, so it will be 150 into 4,000 and divide by this is given water in liter, and when you are converting it into meter, so meter cube, so 1 meter cube is equal to 1,000, so divide by 1,000. Clear? Now this is it has a tank measuring 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. So volume of tank will be equal to length 20 into breadth into height into 6, 20 into 15 into 6. So this is the volume of the tank. After that you will find out here what you will find out for how many days will water of the tank last. कितने दिन जो है उसका पानी चलेगा water tank का. So volume of the tank is this 20 into 15 into 6. From here you will find out the first of all water consumed. So how much water consumed? 30 you can cancel out. 15 4 is 60. So this is 600 meter cube. Now total number of days will water of this tank last. So it will be equal to volume of tank divided by water consumed by the people. Okay, by water consumed per day. So this one will be equal to 20 into 15 into 6 upon 600. So cancel out 10. Okay, 15 and 4 is 60, 4 5 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6. So this one will be equal to 3 days. So how many days water will be last? So it will be 3 days. Clear? So what is this question? A village having a population of 4,000. एक विलेज है जिसकी पॉपुलेशन 4,000 है, रिक्वायर 150 लीटर ऑफ वाटर पर हेड. एक दिन में एक वन पर्सन के लिए 150 लीटर की आवश्यकता है. इट हैज अ टैंक मेजरिंग 20 मीटर, 15 मीटर, 6 मीटर. उनके पास एक टैंक है जिसका मेजर दिस वन है, लेंथ ब्रेथ एंड हाइट. फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज विल द वाटर ऑफ दिस टैंक लास्ट? उस टैंक का वाटर कितने दिन चलेगा? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द विलेज इज गिवन 4,000. water consumed by one people in 1 day is 150 liter, and water consumed by population is 4,000. So we will find out for 4,000 people, na beta. So by 4,000 people it will be 150 liter into 4,000. Now liter you will convert in meter. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1,000 liters. So divide by 1,000, so it will convert in meter cube and cancel out. So it will be 600 meter cube. Now what is the capacity of tank? So volume of tank will be 20 into 15 into 6. Now total number of days you will find out. So total number of capacity of the tank divided by water consumed by one head per day. So it will be 4,000 people per day. So it will be divided and find out the number of days. So it will be how many days? So total 3 days the water will be consumed. Total it will be equal to 3 days. So this was your question number 6. Let's start our next question. Question number 7. A go down measure 40 meter, 25 meter into 10 meter. A go down is there, and this is like a cuboidal whose measures are given 40 meter, 25 meter and 10 meter. Means length, breadth and height are given 40 meter, 25 meter and 10 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measure 1.5 meter, 1.25 meter and 0.5 meter that can be stored in go down. क्या है, गोडाउन है जिसका मेजरमेंट दिया हुआ है 40 मीटर, 25 मीटर एंड 10 मीटर. इट मींस इट्स लाइक अ क्यूबॉइड whose length, breadth and height are given. Find the maximum number of wooden crates. ऐसे कितनी मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ वुडन क्रेट्स हो सकती है? ईच मेजर 1.5 मीटर, मतलब इसकी कितनी वुडन क्रेट्स बनाई जा सकती है जिसकी मेजरमेंट है 1.5 मीटर, 1.25 मीटर एंड 0.5 मीटर. दैट कैन बी स्टोर्ड इन गोदाम, जो कि गोदाम में क्या हो सकती है, स्टोर हो सकती है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गोडाउन. वॉल्यूम ऑफ गोडाउन, so it will be length into breadth into height, and all the measures are given. Length is 40 meter, breadth is 25 meter and height is 10 meter. So this one will be the volume of the godown. Now volume of the wooden crate, volume of one wooden crate, volume of one wooden crate. So it will be equal to, measure is given 1.5 meter, so it will be same length into breadth into height. So 1.5 meter into 1.25 into 0.5 meter. So this one will be the volume of crates. Now how many maximum number of wooden crates? So find the number of wooden crates will be equal to, in the godown it will be equal to volume of the godown, volume of godown upon volume of one wooden crate, volume of one wooden crates. Okay, so this one will be 40 multiply 25 multiply 10 upon 1.5 multiply 1.25 and multiply 0.5. Now solid cancel out, and after that you will get the answer 666.67. So this one will be the number of wooden crates. So it is given a godown measure, गोडाउन है जिसका मेजरमेंट ये दिया हुआ है, लेंथ ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट. फाइंड द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ वुडन क्रेट्स, ईच मेजर 1.5 मीटर, 1.25 मीटर, 0.5 मीटर. वन वुडन क्रेट का मेजर दिस वन है, दैट कैन बी स्टोर्ड. सो ऐसी कितनी वुडन क्रेट्स बनाई जा सकती है गोदाम के लिए, जो गोदाम में स्टोर हो सकती है. सो दिस इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गोदाम, एंड आफ्टर दैट वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन वुडन क्रेट विल बी L into V into H. So this one is the volume of one wooden crate. So how many number of wooden crates can made? So it will be volume of godown divided by volume of one wooden crate. Divide it, cancel out, and this one will be the volume of, this one will be the number of wooden crates. Clear? So this is your question number, volume of godown upon volume of one wooden crate. This is your question number 7. Clear? Yes. Now let's start our next question. So what is next question? A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 small cubes of equal volume. So what will be the side of new cube? Find the ratio of their surface areas also. Okay. A cube is given whose side is 12 centimeter. So cube will be like that. This is a square base. This is base will be square. So sides means 12, 12 and 12. All the length, breadth and height are given 12 centimeter. So what will be the volume of the cube? If the side of cube is equal to 12 centimeter. So what will be the volume? So volume of cube, volume will be side into side into side, side into side into side. So this one will be 12 into 12 into 12. So it will be 1728, and this is centimeter, so centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the solid cube. Now it cut into 8 small cubes of equal volume. So cube volume of small cubes, volume of small cubes will be, this is equal to same volume, so 1728, and this is the volume of how much volume? This is the volume of a solid cube, and you have to find out the volume of 8 small cubes. So what will be the volume of 8 small cubes? So divide by 8. So it will be 1728 divided by 8. So it will be 216 cubic centimeters. So this one will be the volume of one small cube. Okay, because the volume of 8 small cube is equal to volume of solid cube. So volume of 8 small cubes will be equal to this volume. So volume of 1 small cube will be equal to divide by 8. So it will be 216 cubic centimeter. If volume of small cube is 216 centimeter, so what will be the side? So side will be 216 square, 216 cube root. Okay, because volume you know very well. Okay, you can apply the formula also here. What will be the volume? So volume will be side into side into side. Side into side into side. And it is given, this is equal to 216. So this one you can write side whole cube. And this is 216. So from here side will be equal to cube. It will convert into cube root in the right hand side. 216. So this one will be equal to 6 centimeter. So this one will be the side of the small cube. Clear? Now you will find out the ratio of their areas. So surface area. Okay, surface area. When side is 6 centimeter, so surface area will be, total surface area of cube will be 6L square. What will be the surface area? 6 into side into side. 6 into side into side. So it will be 6 into side is 6 centimeter. When side is 6 centimeter, so it will be 6 into 6 into 6. So it will be 216 centimeter, and this is total surface area. So it will be in the square. Okay. Now the solid cube side is 12 centimeter. So you will write when side is 12 centimeter, then total surface area will be same, 6 into side into side. This is the formula to find out the total surface area of cube. So it will be 6 into side into side. So 6 into 12 into 12. Clear? So 12 into 12, 144 into 6. Okay, you can leave here also. After that you will find out the ratio. So what will be the ratio? So ratio will be 216 upon 144 into 6. Cancel out. 6 3s are 18. 6 6s are 36. Okay. And 4 6s are 24, and 4 3s are 12 and 2 14. So 1 upon 4. So you can write it as 1:4. So this one will be the ratio. Clear? So in this question, what will you do? It's not visible, the ratio. So wait a minute. Yes. Okay, what is given? A solid cube is given whose side is 12 centimeter and is cut into 8 small cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of new cube? Find the ratio of their surface area also. A solid cube is given whose side is 12 centimeter. So what will be the volume of the solid cube? So it will be side into side into side. So 12 into 12 into 12. So 1728 centimeter cubic. Clear? Now it's cut into 8 small cubes and whose volume is equal. So volume of 8 small cubes will be equal to the volume of solid cube. So volume of 8 small cubes will be equal to 1728 centimeter cube. So what will be the volume of 1 small cube? So volume of 1 small cube will be equal to 1728 divided by 8. So it will be 216 centimeter cubic. Clear? Now you know very well, volume formula will be side into side into side, and this is equal to 216. So what will be the side of this small cube? So side of this small cube will be 216 cube root. So it will be 6 centimeter, because when you will multiply 6 3 times, 6 into 6 into 6, so you will get 216. Now you have to find out the surface area of both and what will be the ratio of their surface area. So first you will find out when the side is 6 centimeter of small cubes, then what will be the total surface area? So total surface area will be 6 into side into side. This one will be the total surface area of the cube, because how many faces of cube will be there? Cube and cuboid, total 6 faces will be there, and one face is like a square. So square area will be side into side. So total 6 faces area will be 6 into side into side. So it will be 6 into side is here 6 centimeter. So 6 into 6 into 6. So 216 cubic centimeter. And when the side is 12 centimeter, so the total surface area will be 6 into side, formula will be same. And now here you will put the side is 12 centimeter. So 6 into 12 into 12 you will multiply. So it will be 144 into 6. Now ratio will be the total surface area of both the ratios. So divide that and you will get the answer 1/4. So answer will be 1:4. Clear? So this is your question number 8. Let's start our next question. Last question of this exercise. Question number 9. A river 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide is flowing at a rate of 2 kilometer per hour. किस स्पीड से बह रही है? This is the length of the speed is 2 kilometer per hour. So how much water will fall into the sea in a minute? In a minute, how much water will fall? So simply river is given, and in the river height is given. Height of the river is 3 meter, 40 meter wide, and breadth of river is, this is 40 meter, and it is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. It means it will be, its speed is 2 kilometer per hour. So length of river is 2 kilometer. So this is given in meter, so it will you will change it into meter. So 2 into 1000, so it will be 2000 meter. Clear? Now what will be the volume? So volume will be length into breadth into height. Now 3 into 40 into 2000. Okay, so this one will be 3 4 is 12, 12 2 is 24, and how many 0? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So this one and this one is will be in the cubic meter. Clear? Now how much water will fall into sea? How much water will fall into sea in a minute? Okay, so in a minute means you will divide it. This is in hour because it is given 2 kilometer per hour. So this volume is per hour. Okay, now you will find out the volume in a minute. Volume in a minute will be 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So divide it 2 4 3 1 2 3 4 divide by 60. So 10 and 6 4s are 24. So 4000 meter cube. 4000 meter cube. So this one will be the volume in 1 minute. Okay. Why you are dividing it by 60? So because this is the speed of the river is given 2 kilometer per hour. So volume will be also in the hour, but you have to find out in the minute. What will be the volume of the volume in a minute? So volume in a minute will be 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So you will divide it by 60 and convert it into minutes. So it will be 4000 meter cube per second. Clear? So this one will be the volume of the river in a minute. Clear? So in this question number 9, a river is 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide, is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. So how much water will fall into sea in a minute? So simply height of the river is given 3 meter, and the breadth is given 40 meter, and the length is given, this is 2 kilometer per hour. So it will be 2000 meter per hour. Now volume will be length into breadth into height. So 2000 into 3 into 40. So it will be 2,40,000 meter cube per hour. But you will find out here how much water will fall into sea in a minute. So you will change in a minute because this is given in per hour. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So divide by 60. So it will be 4000 meter cube per minute. So this is the question number 9.